Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to this man. These 3 emojis will help you bring home females man, help you get females man. Tested by the legendary Risk Master Sykkuno himself man. So let's try to draw this for ourselves man. What I'm going to do, I'm going to draw these 3 emoji in this current avatar I'm using, which is based on nylon Lilo Dino. An emoji standard would be 500 pixel by 500 pixel. So let's make. Okay, this is where we draw. First we do some sketching man. Let's do some sketching. As of course we are using a tablet guys, drawing tablet. Okay, first let's draw this thing. This is like you can use it when you're like undecisive, like how about we go over there to the right? No, never mind. How about we go to the left? And then good to post this picture. Since we're going to do like a 1-to-1, there's no shame in tracing, you know what I'm saying? New layer and we start doing some tracing man. Let's go. Sketching process for this done. Let's go to cinema so we can like share drinks with one straw and hold hands and stuff. And then you can do this. It's very cute Rizzing method. Very deadly too. very a thick one like this, but we need some, or maybe this, we can use this. Make sure there's a sensitivity. See, sensitivity. Unlike this one there's no sensitivity. Oh, this is nice too. Look at that.
睡觉13:14准时起，主打个浪漫，趁你在爱河不上岸，爱你在奔驰里刷羊群，站在我的面前，那手甩泪就像闪电，外面的乌云深浅浅，我手留在我的房间吃碗面，然后你的双手搭在我的胸口，还是控制不住牵你手，每天下班后带你转郑州，咱们一起走过了每个街口，撕去了回忆开始攻击我，你的香味游戏来了，为谁被谁变成了傀儡，反正没有什么我所期待的，我感觉躲不掉，像云朵躲不过风，我们被吹得越来越远，变了如此陌生，乌云在阴天流，偷偷的经过，怎么越遥远了看得越清澈，得了忘不掉记不清了病，我也难过这笔约定，众人皆醉我独醒，我看到人心百毒不侵，却再看不清那张合影，我的心大部分时间是冰了，曾经和死神有过一夜情，我是最热烈最纯粹的星座，脑子里除了金钱就是性，我在5点了是睡觉13:14准时起，主打个浪漫，趁你在爱河不上岸，爱你在奔驰里刷羊群，站在我的面前，那手甩泪就像闪电，外面的乌云深浅浅，我手留在我的房间吃碗面，然后你的双手搭在我的胸口，开始控制不住牵你手，每天下班后带你转郑州，咱们一起走过了每个街口，撕去了回忆开始攻击我，你的香味游戏来了，为谁被谁变成了傀儡，反正没有什么我所期待的，没有任何期待，没有意外，不会再轻易对谁产生依赖，我留一片狼藉，脑海中的往期漫步在他给我留下了灰色地带，不用分开来证明分不开，味道结束了才认为真不该。 Here's to the parties all night， 儿时河南泪，河南洛阳泪，从平顶山带你转到许昌，再从开封转到新乡，儿时河南泪，河南洛阳泪，带你转信阳南阳濮阳安阳，做你的小太阳，儿时河南泪，河南洛阳泪，从回避转到焦作，三门下到驻马店，带你转漯河，儿时河南泪，河南洛阳泪，带你转周口，带你转商丘，恁咋不早说咱俩谋以后。
There you go, guys. The 3 deadly emoji that will get you have sex with the females, man. And there you go, guys. Look at that. Very nice. I think it's good enough. I think it's good enough to reach some people with this. So there you go, man. Hope you guys can do the same, draw this and reach some girls, man. Go outside, text some girls with this emoji and get lit, man. Go get 'em, tiger. Alright, that's about it, man. Bye bye.